of the Alibaba Group and one of the richest men in China, Jack Ma, has now been summoned by an Indian district court in a case related to fake news and censorship. In a court filing dated July 20th, Pushpendra Singh Parmar, a former employee of the Alibaba Group's UC web browser, has alleged that the company was censoring content and news that did not favor China and its communist government. The district court in the Indian state of Haryana's Gurugram city, which is hearing the case, has issued summons to Jack Ma and has also mandated the presence of a dozen other individuals who hold senior positions within the company. Judge Sonia Shiokand has also sought written responses from the company and its leadership, which manages the application, that is UC browser as well as UC web. The former employee who has levelled these allegations against Jack Ma and his company has alleged that he was fired wrongfully after he had objected to the company's involvement in censoring content and promoting fake news on its web applications. Alibaba India, in a statement, claimed that it is committed to the Indian market and the welfare of local employees. The statement also added that the Alibaba Group was in complete adherence with the Indian laws. The court case in a new hiccup for the Alibaba Group in India. It comes just weeks after clashes at the Galwan Valley and the eventual move of the Modi government to ban several Chinese apps, including Alibaba's UC News, UC Browser and 57 others, citing security concerns. India has also sought answers from all the banned companies, particularly from UC Browser and UC